as he's having his birthday on 1st of October. So we thought to gift him a watch, which is a Titan watch, which is a formal kind of watch. It is in golden color and you will see this on his birthday day because that's the time we will gift it. We don't really want to flop the plan. So we'll see it on 1st of October. Let's pack this and get ready for his birthday. So guys, let's start packing with the watch. This is the watch. So let's go. So guys, we are done with the packing of one of the gifts. That's the watch. So yes. So guys, I have just prepared a cake for my brother to cut in the midnight. And now we're gonna bake this. As you can look, it's looking fabulous. And now we're gonna bake this and see how it turns out to be. Bake this for 35 minutes and see how this turns out to be. So guys, we have finally baked. I mean, the baking time is up. Now we're going to take out the cake and see how it turns out to be. And this is how a cake looks like. It looks fantastic and looks amazing. Yum. So once it's cooled down, we're going to open this up and see how it turns out to be. So now we're going to open this up and see if this is really good or not. You can open this like this and it just squeezes out. It just push the cake a little side and okay. So now the cake looks perfectly fine. It looks amazing. It looks really yummy. And we're going to cut it at 12 a.m. tonight and see how it turns out to be. So guys, it's gonna be 12 in the next 5 minutes and I've just baked the cake. So let's take the cake to my brother's room and surprise him. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Didi.
I just baked the cake for you. Tell me how it tastes.
It looks so yummy. ये काफी अच्छा दिख रहा है guys. मैं देखता हूँ. See, it looks so yummy and delicious. And now we're gonna cut it. Hold the camera, please. Shall we?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Godwin. Happy birthday to you.
May
God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear Godwin. Happy birthday to you. Wow. And guys, this cake has been baked by the master chef Gloria Georgia MB.
Yes.
And I hope, how is the taste of the cake? You have not said something about the cake. How is it?
It is so tasty. It is so delicious. Glory.
Wow.
इसका एक वीडियो तो बनता है.
Wow.
The video is already uploaded.
Laddu. The cake is delicious, guys. Thank you all for your kind wishes. Mama, I love you so much. I love you, Didi. I love you, cameraman. I love you, cameraman.
Happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Hey guys, so now we are going to get a cake for my brother's birthday and we are going to Karachi Bakery. So let's go.
I'm the only one inside today. Put up with this misery. Still looking for reason. For now it is a mystery to me. Put up with this misery. Still looking for reason. But for now it's ancient history to me.
So guys, we brought some stuff for decoration yesterday. I'm gonna show you quickly and then we're gonna start decorating my brother's, for my brother's birthday party. First we brought these many balloons. These are pack of 100. We have 3 types of balloons in these. 3 colored balloons. One is the black, one is the grey, and one is the golden one. This is the grey one. Then we have, these are 100 pieces of balloons. Then we have one of these pumping machine which will fill the balloons, and it's quite efficient to work with. Then we have few balloons more. These are not balloons, but these 1 and 8 balloon which will inflate, and then it's gonna be 18. We also have the champagne bottle which will kind of look good. My brother just wanted to buy these, and so we got this. We also brought that banner, happy birthday banner, and it costed us around, all of these costed us around 350 or something. We just got it from our nearby shops, and yeah, it's quite efficient. Hey guys, so we are finally done with every single thing. Everyone is ready at my place, and now I'm gonna show you how we have decorated our place, like our entrance and every single thing where the cake cutting ceremony will be done. So let's go and see how it looks like. And I kinda worked really hard this time, because the balloon inflation and every single thing just took us a lot of time, and it's kind of really amazing experience for me to just decorate our house for my brother's birthday. So let's go and see how it looks like. So guys, as we enter our house, we have this many colored balloons lying down on the floor, which basically has gray, golden and black colored balloons. We also have this big fat banner showcasing happy birthday, and my brother is turning 18 years old today. We also have this 18 showcasing balloon. We also have this champagne bottle which we bought, and all of these costed us around 350 something. The champagne bottle really looks cute on the side, it just enhances the place which you have decorated. We have many balloons lying down on the floor, and we're waiting for the guests to arrive. Till then, I just wanted to share how we have decorated our house, and yeah, it just looks really good. फोटो खींचो, अरे हाँ फोटो खींचो कोई, उधर ऐसे रखो, देखो ऐसे फोटोग्राफ, ये नॉर्मली ये वीडियो है, सॉरी ओके हाँ वाली
मेरा भी वीडियो मेरा बहुत बड़ा लगती है मुझे डालोगे ना हम रोले मत देना ठंडा है हाँ तो ठंडा ही तो होता है एक और आगे आया
पूरा मेकअप कर दो अंकल फेशियल लगा दो थोड़ा अच्छे
ये देख आप भी लगा दो नहीं लाना नहीं है आगे कर लो ओके आप लोगों को बैग में बस मैंने खा लिया केक लगा के सेलेक्ट कर लो हां नहीं ये दो अच्छा अब एक एक करके आओ सारे थैंक यू
कुछ भी हाँ हाँ देखो सबकी देखो ऐसे आप मेरे को बोलती भी हैट चूज कर कोई नहीं है हम ना सीधे एक बार कोई नहीं है
मेरे को दिखाना था
ये साधारण बच्चे
सबने बना लिया सारा नीचे बहुत है बहुत है मुझे लगा देना
यहाँ पे बच गया अरे अरे मैं फोटो खींच रही हूँ आपकी तो वीडियो बन रही है
कोई नहीं अब क्या कर सकते हैं
टिश्यू है ना टिश्यू बेटा तो जैसे धोनी की शादी हो रही है थोड़ा जहाँ पर दिखे ये तो ऐसे से फेशियल टोटी क्रीम मत लगाना वासु बेटा आप भी जाओ केक गिफ्ट और चौको चिप्स एक चौको चिप्स हाँ हाँ गिफ्ट भी दे इधर देखो यार ढंग से आप ही लोगे मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा फिगर दिख रही है हाय इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ हाँ वही तो
मैं तो नाइस इंट्रोडक्शन
Missing someone without you. Missing
Hey guys, welcome back to the Gloria show. Here I am, the birthday boy. So today I'm gonna show you the gifts that I received from my family members and my friends. So guys, I need to tell you that the outfit that I wore on my birthday was gifted by my parents, and I deeply thank them from my heart. And the outfit was too good and it was too good looking. Do comment in the comment box कैसा लगा आपका आउटफिट. वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, दोनों आउटफिट काफी अच्छे थे. And here we start with our little gift which is gifted by my sister Gloria George. So here we start. Oh my god, this is such a lovely, it's a watch. And now I'm going to show you. So here's this beautiful watch gifted by my sister, and this watch is from Titan. Let me wear it and show you how does it look. So guys, I didn't have any formal watch, so I think Gloria got that point and gifted me this watch, and I really thank her. And yes, it looks so amazing. See, the color, the golden thing, it is Gloria. I deeply thank you. Thank you so much for this beautiful watch. And the first gift is done. Now we move to our friend's gift. And the first gift is this, which is gifted by Vasu. He's my friend. A mysterious box, right? Huh? Okay, I guess it's a mug. Okay, it's a beautiful mug gifted by Vasu. Now we move to other. Okay, here's the gift. Devrina gifted me this. Okay, I'm carrying. Oh. Okay, it's a beautiful gift. I'll show you it. सबसे प्यारा गिफ्ट है, अभी दिखाता हूँ आपको। इसको थोड़ा खोल दिया जाए एंड बाहर निकाल दिया जाए एंड इसको आपको दिखा दिया जाए एंड here it is. Do comment me in the comment box. How did you like that? Here's me, here's Devlina, and this is my school group. Okay, it's a lovely gift, guys. It's a lovely gift. I thank you, Devlina. Thank you so much for this very good gift. Now we move to the other. And okay, here's another mysterious box. It is gifted by Priyanka Pravraj. And yes, okay. Here's a note. Happy birthday, God, I love you. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Thank you so much. I love you too. I love you too. And okay, here's another mug. This is a beautiful mug gifted by Priyanka Prahraj. ये सारे गिफ्ट्स बहुत प्यारे हैं, इतने एफर्ट से लाए हैं लोग, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सबका। Now है next gift is okay. Here's a T-shirt. I love olive green. To be honest, I love olive green. ये कलर मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है। Keep your dreams alive. Keep your dreams alive. It's a beautiful T-shirt which is gifted by Abhijit, Abhay, Ritika, and here's another. Okay, blue color. ये सारे गिफ्ट बहुत प्यारे हैं, बहुत प्यारे हैं। I'll wear, मैं पहन के दिखाऊंगा भी ये। Okay, this is done. And this is done. Now we are left with एक ही बचा, बस इसको खोलते हैं and दिखाते हैं। This gift is given by Ishita Roy. It's a sweatshirt and इसका जो कलर है, my goodness, what a beautiful choice. Thank you, Ishita. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn. Meow. Meow. And we style like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada.
So thank you so much, guys, for your kind wishes, and I loved it. And the way my family and my sister organized the party for my friends, it was absolutely amazing. I thank them deeply from my heart, and thank you all for your kind wishes. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and subscribe.
I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. I wish my brother a very happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Congratulations from coming to the legal age for every single thing. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.